Hi 996 fans, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and first of all, thank you so much for so much love for our channel and supporting us. As you can see, today we are here at our specialist Ledermanufaktur. He's our upholstery shop for our interior for chassis 001. Come on in, I will show you the progress of the interior. Let's get it started. Okay guys, let's start with the seats. As you can see here, we have the Recaro CS, and all our recommendations for our seats are Recaro seats. We love the pole position for really sporty seats, and this is the solution if you need a little bit more comfort. I have had both of these seats in my car, the pole position and the Recaro CS. And my opinion is, if you want no compromises for dynamic driving and the ultimate precision, it's the pole position. It's the best seat that I ever driven. But this seat is the perfect all-rounder. You have a lot of comfort, you have a lot of dynamic precision, and so if you choose to have it as a daily driver, I will recommend you the CS 10 of 10 times. And one more cool option with the CS is you can get heated seats. For chassis 001, our customer decided to go with the fabric Pepita dark gray for the middle, and he went for black Napa premium leather on the sides. So guys, for our next step, the owner of the shop is joining us, Senat. Come on over, I will show you the big stuff on the table. As you can see here, the old interior parts in the color beige are on the table, and the big chief of the manufacturing shop is here. Senat is joining us and will tell us something about this dashboard and the stanceless. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Thank you very much. Senat, please give us some information. What are you doing right now on the dashboard?
Yeah, we are starting with the dashboard. Here we are making the stencils with the fabric. The fabric will be cutted on the inside for the stencils. They are already cut to the right form to later get all the leather parts to perfectly cover our dashboard. The stencils from here will get on the paper, and these paper stencils will then be used to finally cut the leather. To give you a perspective how much work it is to get the car in full leather, we need like 2 weeks to cover the whole car in leather. And now I'm handing back to Mate, he will show you around the company.
Thanks to Senat, the owner of the shop, for the explanation of the dashboard, but now it's getting really interesting. Come on in. We have here two really exciting machines, which are really rare in the region of Stuttgart, so it's really special. But first we start with the leather. As you can see, we've got here our wonderful black premium Napa leather. And the stencils here are all hand cutted the first time, because the next time we will go over to this beautiful machine here. It's completely digital, and the second units we are producing here will be all shown from the beamer down here and will be all laser cutted. So we can reproduce the process over and over again, and we will be a lot faster at the next cars. Okay guys, as you already know, we at Work 96 love to find something new, never done before, because we are very creative and love the 996. Now I will show you something very special. Come on. This machine is my absolute highlight. We will introduce with chassis 001, I think the first time, a Pepita perforated leather. I never seen it before, and I think it will be so creative in your own car to get colors with this perforation. Have a closer look at it. It's so beautiful. So many famous manufacturers or car tuners are bringing their stuff to this place here. And we are very, very proud that the leather manufacturer is our Work 96 specialist, good friends and partners. So all the interior stuff we will do here will be amazing. So guys, the first day of the video shoot is over. It was so exciting. So many thanks to our Work 96 specialist leather manufacturer. Big props to Senat and Nechko. They are real passionate professionals. And we are excited to see how the interior will further look like. And we will catch you up at the end of the progress. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm super happy with the result of the seats and the interior. Come on over, have a closer look to our seats. The customer chose a dark Napa premium leather with this beautiful Pepita dark gray. And I think it matches so perfectly. And as you can see, we lasered our emblem Work 96 here, and the customer can choose every color that he likes. Let's move over to the door panel. As you can see, we covered the whole door panel in our premium Napa leather, and the unique thing about this panel is that we removed the complete carpet and put it in completely Napa leather. And here's our cutout for the airbag, and over here is our unique new design for the airbag. Since the car will be done in all black, we thought that the Pepita perforation will be a really cool detail on our door card. Now to our biggest part on the interior, the dashboard. We choose to cover it completely in our premium Napa leather, and the special thing about the dashboard is that all plastic here and over here will be covered in leather too. So now every plastic part in the interior is covered with our premium Napa leather. So guys, final words to the interior. I'm super happy because we choose the Pepita dark gray with the seats, and I love it. It's so elegant and it looks amazing. And the next time we will see us at Tech Speed with the assembly of the interior into the chassis 001.